Okay guys, here's 4 easy movements that you can do just to get your heart rate going and get your body moving. Punching forwards, alternating arms for 30 seconds. Okay, just keep pumping your arms forwards. So 30 seconds like this, then change to uppercuts. Then forwards a little bit, bend in the knee. Use your shoulders. Just try to work. Okay, after that, up on your toes, knees up. Point your toe, bring your knee up to your chest. Keep marching. 30 seconds. Last one. Stick your hand out. Kick it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Switch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Do all those for 30 seconds and get your heart rate up. Alright guys, here's some footwork you can practice on your own. Get in your boxing stance, hands up. Practice walking forwards. Step with the lead leg first. Front, back, backwards, back, front, right, right, left. Other way, left, right. Okay? Now you moved all directions. Add a punch to it. Step and jab. Step back and jab. Right, left. 1, 2. Forwards. 1, 2. Backwards. 1, 2. Sides. Other side. Okay? Then you can change directions. 1, 2. Side. Move. Jab. 1, 2. Side. Side. Jab. Okay? Keep your feet moving.